Here we are. I picked these up the way home from work. Paid $12 for these wood handle screwdrivers. What's that? $1.50 each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, so paid $1.50 each. Maybe I overpaid. I don't know. But let's start with these stubbies. Don't see any marks on that. This stubby here looks like it's chewed up. Somebody tried to put a wrench on it. I don't see any marks on it. Got another Phillips. Phillips. This is Stanley. See some patents on it. Might have to research it just so I can get a estimate on the date. This one here. Slotted. There's some marks right there, but I can't see. Germany, huh? Alright. Yeah. Let's see what this one is. Can we see anything? Made in USA. Have to look for some more marks on that. This is a really chunky handle here. I don't think we'll see anything. It's pretty beat up, but this one here. Unless there's something all that rust, I don't see anything. This one here. Western Auto. Heard about that one, but I don't know what it is. But anyway, there we are. That's what I've picked up this week. Thanks for watching.